Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, you guys, I'm gonna do a food review. I think I'm gonna go to Applebee's for dinner, and then I'm just gonna do a quick food review just to let you guys know like what I think of it and stuff like that. Anyways, without any further delay, let's get to it. So this is what the inside is looking like, and they had some really nice beautiful murals painted on the wall, and I thought it was an excellent description of what Calgary is. It showcased a lot of Calgary landmarks, and I thought it was just absolutely beautiful. So right here, we're just checking out the menu to see the different dishes that they offer. And as you can see, guys, they offer quite a large variety of different meals. So here you can see some of our meals have arrived. And I must tell you, the service was excellent. We went on a day where it was not too busy. So everything came out hot and fresh, and it did not take too long. So we ordered a variety of different meals. I had the pork back ribs with fries and garlic mashed potato, and my son had something called a cuisine burger, something of the sort. Don't Sorry if I butchered the name. And yeah, kids meal for my other son. And then my husband had us 4 cheeses, mac and cheese with chicken. I think it's honey pepper chicken or something like that. But yeah, guys, absolutely amazing. And also for hors d'oeuvres, we had some wonton. I think it's called chicken wontons. Yeah, those were absolutely amazing as well. So both my sons ordered the Oreo shake, and I wanted to taste it just to see what it was given. And I must tell you guys, this Oreo shake is one of the best that I've had at a restaurant so far. So if you have a sweet tooth and you're in the mood for a treat, the Oreo shake at Applebee's is really good. So here, guys, I'm giving you a close-up of the chicken wontons, and honestly, they were not too bad. I really enjoyed it. I especially like the crunchy shell. I think that kind of gave it an extra little something something. Next, I'm going to be moving on to the pork back ribs, and I must tell you guys, this pork back ribs was on point. Like Applebee's, you did your thing with this pork back ribs. 10 out of 10, no doubt. The sauce was right, the tenderness was right. It was just mwah, chef's kisses. So my son gave me some of his quesa burger to try, and it was different, but different in a good way. As you can see, it's not your typical burger bread that's on the outside, and I was pleasantly surprised by the taste and the flavor as well. So it wasn't too bad. So here hubby is making me try his 4 cheeses mac and cheese, honey and pepper chicken, and it was really good, you guys. Like, I must say, that day Applebee's came out swinging. So as you can see, the verdict is in, and we all thoroughly enjoyed our food at Applebee's. So this is the end of the video, you guys. So thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So until next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.